Hello, chat. Hello, hello. It has been a hot minute, if I do say so myself. Okay, it has been a while since we have, what do you call it? Been live. But hey, hello. How we doing? You guys can see we have a new profile picture. All right. You already can see we have a brand new profile picture. Just pulling the stream up on my TV so I can read chat that way too. And it's muted. Okay, that's a good thing. Good. How we doing today, everybody? Hope we're all doing good. Hope we're all doing good today. Hope we're all doing good. Got some games today. Got some games, you already know. Surprised harmonica. What's up? What up? I will tell you guys right now, too, tomorrow we're supposed to get like a massive snowstorm. Apparently my state's supposed to get like 9 inches of snow or something like that, so yeah. We're having a massive snowstorm tomorrow. Yeah, about like 9 inches. It's supposed to start tonight, and then it goes into tomorrow, obviously, which is Sunday, and it just keeps going. The nice thing is it changes to rain for like the rest of the night, pretty much, but 9 inches of snow still, that's gonna be a lot, dude. Not ready for that. I'm telling y'all, I'm not ready for that. We got some Fortnite, so actually make sure it's on the right audio device. That is if I could access my OBS. Thank you. Okay, yeah, we are. Good. Just wanted to, double check, of course. Just want to double check. Because you never know. Oh, looks like we got one player on Horde Rush. By the way, Horde Rush, new update. You guys can go check it out. So, yeah. Why is this showing? Oh, 1 second, guys. I thought I changed that, and it's still not wanting to show up in-game. Why is that not? Oh, give me like 1 second, y'all. For whatever reason, I had a community post. No, not. Yeah, I had a community post. Okay, approved. This now appears in Fortnite. So, why is it not showing up? Like, what's going on here, game? What's going on? Why do I still see this? Okay, that's really weird, but whatever. We're going to check out the updates, by the way. Remix, what's up? Nah, I'm just gonna be playing by myself today. If we had enough, people in stream, of course, we would do viewer games, but we don't. So, Jader, what? Is this a lobby that's been going on already? Oh yeah. Looks like one of these guys just reached unknown error. What? Alright, I guess I gotta go back to lobby. Cheater. I ain't getting banned. I'm just kidding. What's up, dude? What's up, Zeke? Forgot I gotta close out of Opera. Since y'all can be hearing that right now. I have the new HUD enabled, by the way, too. The Chapter 7 UI, You're a Fortnite creator? Nice, nice. I'm a Fortnite creator too myself, even though I haven't posted in God knows how long. I am a Fortnite creator myself. I'm a UEFM map creator, of course, too, so... this is my map right here. This is indeed my map. I also just realized, too, now that the... Hold on. 1 second. The window captures aren't showing up properly. Hold up, chat. I love when that happens. So whenever I load in the game, thing just never shows up properly. Okay, is that good? Right? Very good? Yeah, there we go. We good. We all Gucci. It looks like we have another guy in here, too. Looks like we have another person in here. You guys can't see it, though, of course. Yeah, this is my own map right here. This is, the take. Nah, I'm not playing with anyone. Sorry. Okay, so the game is just ending. Why is the game just ending? Oh, you know why? I think I might know why. I think I might know why. Hold on. Let me go into a private game. Let me go into a private game real quick. I think I might know why it's ending. Too much for TV. What's up, by the way? There's no one. Somebody else was on the map, but it keeps ending by itself, and I think I might know why, and I might have to push an emergency update to fix that. Let me start it real quick. Because I already have 1,000, like, creature eliminations, and it just keeps, like... I think that's maybe why it's ending, because I have the thing saving. I don't think there's any players that just kicks you out. No, it's not that. Yeah, it's that. Okay, I understand it. Yeah, okay. So, Great, so I have to push an emergency update, of course. I don't want to do that right now, but I really need to get this update. I need to get that out then. Because I have a save point device that saves your creature, like, eliminations. It saves all your scoreboard stats, and since I already have 1,000 eliminations... What's the map called? It's called Horde Rush version 2, or Horde Rush V2. Here, I'll type it in chat. Horde... I don't even think I'm typing that right. Hold up. That's the map name right there. If you guys obviously want to go check out the map, alright, you guys can do that, obviously. Yeah, just search up Horde Rush V2, obviously. Or you guys can get the code, of course, as well, which, let me get that real quick. I do have a link for it, but I don't think links are working, so... Because last time I checked links, they weren't, like, working, so... I mean, I could try again. Let's see if it works. Oh, okay. They did fix it. Alright, cool. Okay, I'm gonna send the link in chat. If you guys are on PC or mobile, you guys can click this link or copy and paste this into your browser, and it should take you into Fortnite, and it should load you right into the map. But I will also give you guys the code as well. That is if my freaking thing wants to load. Here is the code. So yeah, if you guys... The links only work on PC and mobile, okay? That's the thing. So if you guys are on console, you guys gotta type in the code, or you guys have to search up Horde Rush version 2. Or Horde Rush V2, of course. So... yeah, but if you're on PC or mobile, copy that link. It should work. So... looks like they ended up fixing it, which is good, so... yeah, but I gotta, of course, go into freaking UEFN. How's my year been? It's been good so far. I mean, I told you guys I would be posting content, but I have yet to get to that, of course, because I've been busy with, you know, UEFN and stuff like that. So, yeah, gotta love that. So I gotta get, like, an emergency update out, of course, so... and I don't want to do that right now. I want to show you guys the update, but I can't do that because it's bugged out. It's not bugged out. It's just because whenever I join a game, it has the 1,000 eliminations already, so it just ends the game, which just sucks. So, alright, I gotta close my game, of course. Sorry, chat. I could probably load into UEFN, and I could probably just like launch a session and show you guys like how the map plays out that way. So, I mean, how much memory am I using right now? That's the question. Where's my OBS? Oh, okay, so that's not bad. All right, we should be fine now. I am gonna close out of metal though, because I don't really need metal opened. I don't really need Steam open either, so I'm just gonna close Steam too. Okay. Yeah, let me load into I'm just gonna load into UEFN real quick, guys. I'm just gonna load into the map. It takes like 15 years, of course, to load in because it's such a large scale map, of course. Yes, by the way, the whole custom map, by the way, that I made in Hordish version 2, was all made by me. It's been a month and a half in the works. So I've been working on the map for like a month and a half last year. Yeah, I started this steadily back in April 2024. Or 2025, I meant to say, not 2024. 2025, so April 2025, and it went all the way into May of 2025. So I made the map all by myself. I've updated the map since then. Beforehand, I was only limited to Creative 1.0. I didn't have access to UEFN. But then, since I got access to UEFN, I was able to, make that entire map. And yeah, I'm really proud of what I made, and definitely didn't think I would like make that map or get it finished. So I have a new update in the works. It's a whole rebalance of stuff. So yeah, you're in. Nice. We also recently added in. Sorry if my camera starts lagging. It's trying to load into the map right now, so my camera might be a little bit laggy. W game, thank you. Yeah, we have in-island transactions. That was the recent update, so yeah. For right now, the Chapter 7 UI, the Chapter 7 like HUD is just in like testing purposes. So that's just in there for testing purposes. I'm gonna revert it back to the old HUD on the 27th. So I'm just kind of hoping that whenever the snowstorm happens, or when the snowstorm does happen for me, I hope I don't lose like any power, because I won't be able to get the update out then, of course. So, but I do have to load into UEFN. I have to change this real quick, and I do have to push this like emergency update real quick. So, yeah. Because what do you call it? Again, stats are like the scoreboard for me is saving, so I already had like 1,000 creature eliminations, and so I was just gonna like just end the game, of course. So gotta love that. I do have to load it on my phone though, of course, because for whatever reason, whenever you load into like a creative map on your phone, it like uses less like memory of the map. So I don't know, it's kind of weird. So again, if you guys want to go check out the map for anyone that's actually in the game right now, of course, you guys can go do that. So I do have to get an emergency update though, of course. Of course, when I'm streaming, of course, Of course, when we're streaming. Of course, when we're streaming. And so you guys don't have to stare at a black screen. I'm just gonna do this. I am going to do this. Just gonna pop that right there. I'm just gonna hide my window captures, might as well. I have to remember to turn those back on, of course. This is why I have to wait for every time I try to like load into UEFN. Specifically this map only, but this is what I gotta wait for. Also, by the way, this is just sparkling water. So it's just sparkling water. If anyone's gonna ask, it's just sparkling water. Don't worry. We're about to load in here in just a moment, of course, but I do have to. I do gotta like get rid of. You know, I gotta get rid of the thing. So because it is bugging out. So hopefully it does like end up like resetting the stuff, because if it doesn't, then that's not good. That is not good then. That is not very good. Okay, just give it a moment. It's always trying to prepare like static meshes and whatnot. So yeah, like it just tries to go and just like prepare this stuff here. So yeah, it always does this. So and it like tanks my FPS, of course. So yeah, it says 8 FPS. Oh boy, 8 freaking FPS, dude. There was a save point thing that I put like over here somewhere. And I just need to get rid of this pretty much. Yep, there it is. Just waiting for this to finish. Okay. Save creature eliminations. No. Yeah, that's the problem. You know what? I'm just gonna get rid of this as a whole, honestly. Yeah, just get rid of it. We don't need that, my man. We don't need that, dude. We do not need that. We do not need that. Oh my god, it is so laggy, though. It's probably because I'm streaming right now. It's probably because I'm streaming right now, honestly. Never thought I would load into a UEFN session and, you know, show you guys what the map looks like. But, of course, here we are. So, again, this is the V-Buck shop right here. Okay, so you click this button right here. They'll obviously pull up the V-Buck shop, which actually I'm going to move this down just a teeny bit more. Yeah, there we go. But don't worry, this button's invisible. These both are actually invisible. This is for a ranked device. Or a voting device, not a ranked device. This is for a voting system. It's just for the old HUD and the new HUD, basically. New Chapter 7 HUD. You know, so. Yeah, but currently right now I just have it enabled. I have the Chapter 7 HUD enabled just for testing purposes. That's it. It's just for testing purposes only. Okay, I have to load in on my phone, of course. So I have to load in on my phone because I need to do a memory calculation so I could get this emergency update through real quick. And you guys can hear my phone probably. Yeah. And it's just a game, so it's not a big deal. Alright, let me load into the session. Okay. Oh no, I'm sorry, this is boring, y'all. I really do deeply apologize that this is boring, of course, because, you know, I have to load into UEFN and, you know, do all that sort of type of bull crap, you know, so, yeah. But I have to get this emergency update out. Alright, this is typically like an emergency update, so. Bunny VM, what's up? Welcome to the stream, so. Yeah, I apologize, this is boring, but I have to get this emergency update out, so. Yeah. I do apologize indeed. But if anyone wants to know what UEFN looks like, this is what it looks like, basically. Also, if I start lagging, it's because it's trying to just do the whole thing with UEFN, basically, so. Yeah. That's pretty much it. But once this is done validating local content, I can like show you guys around. I just have to turn on game view, of course. Yep, and it looks like I should be loading in here any second. Yep, there we go. Yep. This is what it looks like every time, by the way. This is what it looks like every time. I also just heard my headset turn off. Honestly, I don't even think I need my headset turned on right now. So I have it set to like where it has, if it has like no audio coming through, it just turns off after like 10 minutes. It's to save battery life and stuff. So I didn't realize that was a thing, but that's pretty cool. All right, let me turn on. Where is it? Where is it? Where is it? Where is it? Perspective. No, that is not what I meant to click. Just gonna turn on game view. So make this full screen. So this is what the map looks like. Okay, obviously, you know, there's fog and stuff too, you know. But this is what the map looks like. So you guys can see we have a whole bunch of creature spawners around. We have this thing. This is like a boss almost. It's an Overlord Spire. You know, spice things up a little bit. This location is called the Towers. I can't use. This is the thing that sucks about like creating custom locations in UEFN maps. You can't use location names that Epic has already used. So like, I can't use Tilted Towers here, okay? Because that technically violates TOS technically. So like, you can't use like existing like, you know, location names Epic has already come with. So over here, this is just called the city, even though it's not really a city. I can't use Crime City. All right. Oh my god, my camera is lagging. Holy crap. Did I just turn my... I'm probably just going to turn my camera off, honestly. Oh, whoa. Oh, oh boy. Mouse cursor is like... My cursor is just like flipping out right now. It's like so slow. Can you guys see this? Look how slow my cursor is right now. Keeps like locking up. I don't know if it's using like GPU right now. It might be using GPU. What do we think? Is it using GPU? I think it's just the memory. Yeah, it's probably the memory, because I only have 16 gigs. I could technically upgrade the RAM inside this thing, but you should see RAM prices these days, chat. Oh my god. So yeah, this is what the map looks like. I could technically use, you know, what do you call it? I can't use Mega City name because that's already a map name. I put in Neon City, so it kind of looks like Neon, you know, almost. This is just called Futuristic City. I can't use, what was it called? What was this location called back in Chapter 6, Season 3? What was it? I don't remember. I don't remember, actually. That's weird. We got the Floating Island. I can't use Kevin's Island. This is just called the Corruption. This has no location name. This is just military base. This is just called the Park. Can't use Pleasant Park. You know, so factory and diner. We have Hero Base over there. Over here is the farm. So got the farm. I might add in another depot. Like, I might add in, like, the 3 depots over here, maybe, or something. Might do that. I'm gonna add in, like, future storm circles to where it, like, actually moves. To where it, like, actually moves, like, across, like, you know, different locations, like, over here. And stuff like that, you know, so, yeah. So, I will, like, eventually do that. Did I not put a... I don't think I put a station over here to like teleport back to the map. No. Oh well, that's no big deal, I guess. Yep, I just loaded into the session. So we got like the reels. Can't use risky reels. This is just the lighthouse. So this is the entire map, and you guys can see there's a whole bunch of creature spawners around. That's obviously for the entire thing, you know, Horde Rush. So okay, so now I need to do this, chat. I need to go up here. I need to go to project settings and launch memory calculation. And this is going to be emergency. I don't even know if I spelled that right. Emergency updates. Okay. You know, it does all this, of course. You know, it does all this, and it goes to this, and yeah. I have to do this every time. You need to do a memory calculation every time because it will create a private island code for you. And it has to, like, you know, go through launch memory calculation, make sure it's like under budget, you know, make sure it's not above 100,000, of course. Because if it is above like 100,000, it will, you know, it will fail. So, yeah, it will fail. So, just gotta do that. I am going to block the display capture so you guys don't see that private island code, because if you guys see that private island code, you guys can't load into it. So you can't load into it anyway. It is only, I can only access it. So I'm the only one that can access it basically. So, but I just don't want you guys seeing it nonetheless. So. But I have to push this emergency update, and yeah, once that's done, we should be good to go. Hopefully this update's good. Hopefully this update goes through quickly. I mean, when I was working on the in-Allen transactions and stuff like that, what do you call it? It went through in like 20 minutes, the update, so it wasn't that bad. Now, of course, it's stuck on validating local content, of course. You know, gotta love that. And as I said something, it just moved. Oh, there we go. All right, but anyways, I will tell you guys about the future update that is gonna be coming. We're gonna be doing like ammo free balance. We're gonna do a heals rebalance, so like ammo is not like unlimited. You know, heals are not unlimited, just to make it like more difficult and stuff, make it like more challenging. You know, so I want to do that. What else? What else? What else? What else? We're gonna redo. We're gonna do the spawn base again. I can actually show the display capture again. So I'm gonna redo this spawn base right here. This is technically the spawn base. Okay, what I'm looking at right now. So that's the spawn base, of course. So yeah, that is this spawn base. So yeah, but now I gotta wait for this stupid memory calculation to go through. I mean, this is what it looks like right now. My thing would focus. I mean, it's what it looks like right now. So. Ooh, my ping is spiking. Hold on, chat. Give me 1 second. I'm gonna see if I just want to see if the window or my Windows is still gonna create like a really bad like blur for the camera. Cause I want to have the windows open. Like I want to have my windows open, but I feel like I can never have that. Okay, so they did saw our roads. Okay, that's good. Yeah, if you guys don't know, we're supposed to have like a really bad snowstorm tomorrow. Technically starts tonight. Actually, it starts tonight, but we are supposed to have like a really bad snowstorm. So it starts tonight, goes into Sunday, right, tomorrow, and we're supposed to get like 9 inches of snow. Apparently so. But beforehand, they didn't salt our roads, but it looks like they finally salted our roads, so that's a good thing. We had like a little bit of snow like last week or something, so there's like a little bit of snow on the ground still right now, but oh man, this is gonna take like weeks to clear up. This is gonna take like it's gonna take like weeks, chat. It really is. Look at my hair. Jeez. Look at my freaking hair, dude. I still gotta get a haircut. I'm gonna like pretty much just cut off all my hair because I'm always wearing a hat and stuff like that, you know. So I won't have to worry about my hair falling out of my head constantly because I always have hairs coming out of my head. You know, I don't lose hair. My hair still grows, but it's just like hairs like will come off and yeah, so yeah. And it's not fun. I don't like that. Yeah. So I need a haircut. I'm just gonna like get rid of it all. You know, because I've now been going on for an entire year. I haven't got my haircut in like a year, basically. And it's about time I get a haircut again, because this is just ridiculous. I mean, I'm like dead ass. This is just getting ridiculous at this point. But once this is done, I'm gonna push the emergency update through. You know, get all that done, whatnot, and yeah, we should be good to go. It's probably gonna make me take that stupid IARC questionnaire again, probably. No, it's just completing quests. Okay. See, I always wear a hat. Yeah, this is the hat that my. This is the hat. My parents got this hat for me last year for Christmas, 2024, whatever it was. Yeah, 2024, and it says, "What? Can you guys read that? I don't know if you guys can read that, but it says, "I paused my game to be here." So, I might get like another one of these in the future. I like this hat a lot, though. I've been wearing this ever since then. And the only reason why I wear a hat these days is because my hair is so fucking long. It's because my hair is just so unbelievably long. So, oh my god, can this thing just please load into the freaking memory calculation? It's taking so long. This is the only problem, is it takes so fucking long to load in, dude, I swear. It really does. Like, it just takes so goddamn long to load into this stupid thing. Well, there we go, the ping again. My ping is spiking again on my phone. It don't matter. The servers are so dog shit anyway right now, so. If you guys don't know, servers on Fortnite are just still so dog shit right now. They fixed, like, two big issues with the lobby. Oh, there we go. Now it's doing the whole memory calculation thing. They fixed two things with the lobby lag. Alright, so it doesn't, like, freaking start, like, freezing your game and stuff like that. But they need to start working on, like, the skill-based matchmaking, the stupid server issues, or the stupid ping issues, because this shit is just unbelievable. Because I'm always constantly fucking lagging. Like, I really am. I'm always lagging in the game. I really am. And my UEFN just froze for some reason. I don't know why. Yep, there we go. Success. And of course, every time, you guys can see this down here, it just like starts deleting a whole bunch of shit after I launch memory calculation. So I literally just like close out UEFN pretty much and just say like, yeah, I'm not saving this, you know. So don't save. Because then it'll still keep the things, basically. Yeah. So, alright, let me get rid of this display capture. Let's get the window captures turned back on. And let me go and just push this update real quick. So, yeah. And of course, every time my freaking UEFN doesn't close, so I have to go into Task Manager and force close it, of course. Force close. Or end task, whatever. You know, same thing. I clicked end task and it's not doing anything. Hello, are we going to close? Thank you, appreciate it. Okay. Let's get this little update through real quick. Okay. Of course, he's gotta freaking do this. You know, I'm gonna launch my game while I wait for this. Let's get the game loaded back up, chat. Because I'm not waiting for this to, like, go through and do the whole bullshit and stuff, you know, so. Just so annoying. Turn TV volume down. I don't know if you guys can hear it on the background. I just want to turn that down so you guys don't hear that. Of course, I gotta do my stupid window captures again. Yay. I swear, it does not like when I load into this every time. There we go, now it's fixed. Check to see if it's nope, still working on, huh? Of course it does. I can't play the map right now because it just doesn't let me in, so I have to, you know, of course, push this emergency update, so it gets rid of the thing. Oh man, stretch. Oh, that was a good stretch. I have to wait so long for the verse and island transactions to go through. But once this goes through, I'm just going to publish this little emergency update, so we should be good to go then. And if not, then, well, shit then. I don't know. I don't know then. I really don't know. But man, this thing just takes so long, dude, I swear. It really does. It just takes so fucking long. Cheater? Alright, again, man, bro. Just kidding. What's up, the Osborns? What up? What up? What up? Welcome to the stream. Currently just awaiting to push this emergency update for one of my maps. And it's taking it again like 15 years. You always just do it. Yeah, that's why I put it there, you know? That's why I put it there. That's honestly why I put it there. Just so people could say that. I guess I don't know. I just put it there because I wanted to put it there. And I saw, you know, other streamers do it too, so I was just like, hey, let me join on the trend. Be like, this guy says cheater, oh, you're getting banned, bro. And I'll just go like, no, I'm just kidding. I always, I saw it, you know, other streamers do it again, and I was just like, hey, let me hop on the trend. Or let me do it too. Let me do it too. Oh my god, how long is this thing gonna take? As I said something, my battery's dying on my headset. That's freaking wonderful. Yeah, jeez. Wow, this really is taking like God knows how long. Who do you think is gonna win the Super Bowl? Honestly, I don't really know. I don't really know. I'm gonna be totally honest. Your only viewer? Currently right now, yes, actually. Currently right now, yes. Just give me like 1 second here, chat. Okay, we just go receiver. Okay, of course I gotta take this questionnaire again. When I start streaming, right now, when I started streaming, about like 41 minutes ago. Damn, 41 minutes already? Goddamn. Jeez, dude. I didn't realize I was streaming for that long already. Am I good at the game? I'd say I am. But definitely playing like one creative map that like definitely gets me like warmed up and, you know, like gets me warmed up for the day and whatnot. So I've been practicing on that map too. So, and okay, submit for review. Let me just make sure this goes through, and it looks like it is going through. Yep. Okay. All right. So the update is in review, guys. So whenever this does go live, it should fix the issue with the whole thing. Turn my headset down a little bit. It's a little bit loud. I mean, I think I could turn my lamp off in the back, but I don't feel like doing that right now. I think it's alright. I think we're okay. And no, by the way, since I have a sword, I'm not a sword spammer. I only saved the sword in here is because you can't get the sword, so somebody else had it. Alright, I did just get on, so I might be a little bit rusty. Just happened right there. I should probably heal up first. Or heal the rest of the way up. I should probably do that. That was close. But you're hiding in the corner, really? Really? Right now. Who just did that? Okay, so it's this stupid Renegade Raider skin. Got it. Y'all want to use a young shotgun? Y'all really want to use a young shotgun? Alright. So let's... Say less, fam. Say less, dude. Okay, that was kind of rough. Trying to see if I can like, get them out. It's the only thing I'm trying to worry about right now. I did totally forget to turn off licensed audio. There we go. Turn that off. Do I give people any chance? Nah. I do not. They're all still just hiding, and honestly, I would rather use the, good old Havoc. Rather use the good old Havoc. I love the Havoc, dude. The Havoc shotgun is just, like, the best shotgun in the entire game. Y'all can't tell me otherwise. Spooderman. Dude, you're not good. If my gun actually shot, you would have lost that so quickly. Stupid fucking superhero skins, bro. Like, just take them out of the goddamn game already, please. How much do I suck on a scale of 1 to 10 today? Yes. I swear, he was the one who tried going for the frickin' bitch on that guy. Finish. Alright. Oh, come on, man. Like, why do you get in my way like that? No finish for you. Oh, I'm at 40 ping right now. Okay, there was no audio on that, by the way. There's absolutely zero audio. I love having no audio. Literally last second he went to his base, bro. Alright. Actually, go back with the combat SMG. This thing is very accurate, but it definitely struggles a bit with recoil. That could have gone better, honestly. Could have gone way better. Where is this guy? This is a jetpack. I don't even think he knows what he's doing. You're right. Spearman, what is he doing? Did he not see me or something? Like, it's actually like he literally didn't even see me. Spearman. I totally had that skin. I just didn't, what do you call it? I was never able to get all the styles, like the additional styles back in Chapter 3. Which sucks, of course. No, I want to change my pickaxe. What pickaxe should I go for? Star Wars. Pretty far. I feel like a lot of them left, right? Or they're all just like hiding or something. I can't get a freaking flare gun. They're in there. It's just they're all AFK or just not coming out. It's starting to annoy me a bit. And that's what makes this thing so boring sometimes. It's just people just never like leave their base, technically. There we go, got a flare gun finally. I want to be fighting people, you know? Alright, I'm just gonna back out then, because it's just getting boring. Oh man, it's just getting bored pretty much. Wow, it got dark quick. Might be the clouds that are rolling up to... Might be those clouds from the storm that may be rolling up. I don't know. I am going to do this though. We're gonna play some good old 2v2s. I'm gonna switch to a fake default skin, by the way, too. Oh yeah, also, Office is in the is in the game too. If you guys want to cop the Office bundle, make sure you guys use code AIDENW0876, of course. That'd be greatly appreciated. Make sure you guys use code. Alright, that'd be greatly appreciated. Code AIDENW0876. You already know. You already know. Help support me. Yikes, it is cold right now. It's a good thing I didn't open my window up. I was planning on opening my window up, but nah. It is too cold right now. It says it's 17, and it's like... It feels like it's 6 right now. Oh, man. Where is the map? There it is. The map was just gone. Power disruption is high potential. Oh, that sounds awesome. I don't remember if we've ever lost, like, power during snowstorms. We might have, like, a few times. So, I don't know. I don't know. But it says high potential for losing power, of course. Gotta love that, dude. Oh, yeah. Okay, well, they recently changed the loot pool, so what should we go for? I don't know. We still have the Ranger. Let's go with the hammer. Really? GG's, I guess. They all just backed out. What the hell, man? I thought I was gonna be playing against these guys, but nah, everyone just backed out. They saw my presence, and they were just like, nah, I'm out of here. They literally saw my presence, and were like, nah, I'm out of here. I'm dipping. Okay, hopefully this time they don't back out. And hopefully my teammate doesn't back out. What? This guy wants... Okay, dude, what are we picking right now? Please vote. Please vote reload. Please. I need my teammate to vote reload. Dude, I feel like we're gonna get OG. Okay, now we got reload. Alright. Whew, we're good. I don't really want OG. I always pick, whatever you call it. Always pick, reload. Alright. I'm sorry, that should not be damaging me from that far away, but okay. I was trying to pull my shotgun out, I was too slow. Alright, that was a rough start, but we got this. Alright, this other kid's so weak, dude. Let me get that finish. Dude, that should have been 100. What are you talking about? That's fucking 70, dude. This guy is just AFK. I don't know what he's doing. I got fizz, so just tap fizz real quick. Damn. Dude, he's just AFK, like... You know, wait, hold on, I'm gonna shock him into storm. I'm gonna kill him by storm. Nah, I just want him dead. Low-key. Dude. This guy needs to, like, start working. This guy's got a drum gun, too. The Chapter 5 one. I feel like I should hit him with the hammer. I'm gonna hit him with the hammer. It's a once-in-a-lifetime opportunity. This poor dude. Like, what happened? Where did he go? Alright, we're just gonna, yeah, I just want this game done and over with, honestly. GG's, I guess. Oh my. I don't even know why that guy was just AFK the entire game. Like, he was there, and then he's just gone. So, I'm not exactly sure what happened. Not really sure what happened, of course. I actually low-key want to see where the storm is right now on the radar. So I know it's close. Oh, hey, look at that. It's my teammate from last game. Alright, what are we looking at? Wow. Oh my god, dude. That is a ginormous storm. Holy, dude. Man, that storm is like... Wow, that's crazy. You turn off the alerts. Wow. Look at this, guys. That's what this storm looks like. All that like stuff right there. It's not focusing, of course, which helps. So, yeah, that's the storm right there. Jeez, man. I'm kind of bummed they removed the what do you call it, the Veil Precision SMG, because that was like such a great like gun. Alright, no, let me get the my teammate's key. My previous teammate. GG's. I clutched up. Oh, great. My teammate left. Stuck on the right, bro. If the air guy didn't start keying me, I would have probably won that too. I got a terrible grappler. Yeah, I consider this to be a terrible grappler now, because... Oh man, they ruined this thing. They really did. That could have gone more smoother. That could have gone more smoother. That's why he's going for the drum, because it shoots so fucking quickly. There's nothing I can do. I'm being 2v1. I can't do anything. This is straight nothing I can do. I don't know why my grappler just didn't shoot right there. I tried shooting it and it just wasn't doing anything. Oh my god, yo, that was an insane clutch. Holy, dude. Yo, Loki, that was a crazy clutch for me. Yo, honestly, if I can just get rid of this guy, I can make it a 1v1. Like a fair 1v1, I swear. I want to get up on the height here. That's what I want to do. Yeah, don't get me wrong. My previous teammate is good. Like, don't get me wrong. This guy is pretty good. Need to get that finished, bro. Holy. Oh man, I can't be losing this bot, bro. I cannot be losing to this other guy though. This freaking bot, man. Yeah, I'm surprisingly doing pretty well for a 1v2 on the solo. But me and Loki, honest with you, I'm doing pretty well right now. God, this kid is so bad too, dude. Like, this one bot is just not good at all. Bro! Oh my god, that is not what I wanted to throw. Like, I would rather lose to, like, the guy that had as my teammate before. This other guy. Oh, well, that was a 1v1. Oh my god, bro. I'm literally sucking ass right now. Oh my god, what am I doing? Bro, I'm sucking right now. Yeah, the no sprints. I love having no fucking sprint, man. Holy crap. He's so lost, he didn't even know where I was. I'm right here, gang. Honestly, I was gonna see if I could try and full box him. Okay, what in the blank was that, bro? Dude, I just hate having no fucking sprint, man. I don't even know what's going on right now. Oh man, these are some rough fights, dude. Holy. Oh my god. This is literally sprint runs on like fucking 2 milliseconds. So if I get slap splashes, yeah, that's good. Like, don't get me wrong, that's good. Wow. I mean, for being a solo player, I mean, yeah, the other guy left. But... Oh, that was max pump. Oh my god, I just hit him for 185. I absolutely just slapped him, bro. Jeez. G motherfucking G, dude. You said keep running, okay. Oakley dokily then. Oh my god, look at my hair. My hair, dude. Hold up. This is why I need a haircut, chat. This is why I need a haircut. This is the exact reason why I need a haircut, man. Holy, dude. Oh my god. Alright, I'm gonna do one more of these. And then we might move on to something else, or I might hop off stream. I don't know. We'll see. We'll see how it goes. We'll see how it goes. We'll see how it goes. I'm pretty sure he hit himself with a freaking thing. Oh, this guy's got a normal mammoth. Where's the other guy? That's my question. Okay, so that guy is down there. That might have been a rough throw, honestly. Yeah, that was a bad throw. Oh my god, he's so big, bro. There you go. Dude, I'm so weak right there. Like, bruh. Did he get another? He got another explosive mammoth. Oh, we are not dead. We are not that serious, or not. Yeah, my teammate needed that more, low-key. And here goes Dun Storm. My god, didn't shoot again. Lovely. I just realized this guy's name. Oh my god, bro. Birdie again. Gang you, bro. What are we doing right now? Where's his teammate? Oh, he's right here. Dude, what the heck? It literally looks like it hits. It literally looks like it says 50, but then it switches like 100, like literally last second. Oh, now this guy's awake. Hello, your computer has virus? Oh, that was stupid. Oh my god, bro. I should have killed him. I should have killed him, but I pulled out my shotgun again like an idiot. I had my AR pulled out. I would have won that, but no, that was an idiotic move. Okay. I'm not exactly sure what I was supposed to do, but yeah, sure. I'm sorry, but like I'm grappling to the ground right now. I'm grappling to the ground, but it never thinks I am. Like, bruh. Got height. I don't even think I killed this guy like once. Oh, damn. GG's. My teammate was definitely really good. I like that progress bar up there too now that they added in. That's a really nice touch, actually. I wonder how they did that. I know that's like all through verse and whatnot, but like that's like a really cool thing. Real quick, chat. I will be right back. Give me like 1 second. I will be right back. Alright, chatters. You know what, everybody? I'm gonna call it here. Yeah, I think we had a pretty good stream. A pretty good first stream back in God knows how long, I feel like. So, yeah, I'm gonna call it here, fellas. Yeah. Yeah, I'm gonna call it here, fellas. I know. I would be streaming for a little bit longer, I know, but honestly, I'm just probably gonna call it here. I'm gonna be going on a bit anyway, so yeah, before the whole snowstorm starts and whatnot, because just want to get out the house one more time before all chaos starts raining down. Snow, because we have the winter storm warning right now. So 9 inches of snow, guys. 9 inches of snow. I might, after this snowstorm is like all done and stuff like that. What's a good day to do it on? I think it might be okay on Monday. Yeah, it should be alright on Monday. God damn it, it's gonna be cold this entire week. Holy dude. Yeah, but we got like a massive like snowstorm. It is gonna be bad. I don't know. It says it's supposed to rain. It's supposed to like change the rain for like the rest of like this storm. So I don't know if this is like gonna kind of like clear it up a bit or something, because it is technically supposed to be below freezing, but I don't know. It said freezing rain and rain, so I don't know. But anywho, I'm gonna call it there, everybody. All right. So thank you all for coming by. All right. If y'all like to say stream. By the way, hold up, chat. Let me make sure that update went through. It might have went through by now, actually. Okay, well, they gave me an email saying my project rating has changed. I don't know if the update went through, though. That's the thing. I can check that real quick. Give me, like, one hot second. Yeah, I shall find out. Let's find out, shall we? Let's see. No, it is still processing. Okay. Emergency update, and it's still processing. Lovely. Yeah, it's been like, yeah, this has been pending for like 40 minutes now. This would have went through by now already. I'm telling y'all, it would have went through by now, but nah, Epic's got better ideas, of course. All right, chat, I'm calling it there. So, thank you guys for coming by. If you like to say stream, or thank you guys for coming by to say stream. If you guys like to say stream, make sure you guys liked it. Let me slow it down. Let me slow it down here for a second. Okay, if you guys like to say stream, make sure you guys like today's stream. That'd be greatly appreciated. And if this also happens to be the first one you have seen by me and consider joining today, make sure you guys go subscribe down below with those post notifications on so you don't miss another upload from me anytime soon. We're definitely going to be streaming tomorrow. I hope I don't lose power, because it says there is a high chance that we might be losing, or people might be losing power during this storm. I don't know. I hope not. So, you can only hope for it. You can only hope. All right, but yeah, we got a snowstorm tomorrow, so if you guys want to stay tuned for that snowstorm tomorrow, make sure you guys are subscribed and with those noties on again. That'd be greatly appreciated. All right, but anyways, chat, I'm calling it there. So thank you guys for coming by, and I'll catch you on the next one. Peace.